Why you need to earn more? Hello everyone, Ro Ansel is here of 1 Million Club. In this video, discover the 3 reasons why you need to earn more money. First, let us say your monthly salary net of tax or your net pay is 20,000. Anong nangyayari dun sa 20,000? Common budget of an employee earning 20,000 per month ay ganito. Assuming single siya. Food, 3,300. Transportation, 2,000. Share mo sa rent ng bahay nyo is 2,500. Share sa bill sa kuryente at tubig, 500. Groceries, 1,200. Cellphone load or internet, 500 pesos. Weekend expenses, 4,000. Ito yung gastos mo pag pupunta kang mall or mamamasyal with family. Donation to church, 2,000. Based on prosperity formula, 10% of your income should go to tithes or donation. Total expenses, 16,000. Monthly savings mo is 20% of your income or 4,000. If you save and invest 4,000 per month after 5 years, assuming the rate of return is 12% per year, your investment fund will become 326,679 pesos. First reason why you need to earn more money is to build your wealth faster. Let's say instead of saving 4,000 per month, you can invest 8,000 because you do part-time work to earn more. Saving 4,000 per month, your investment fund after 5 years will become 326,679. Saving 8,000 per month, your investment fund after 5 years will become 653,357. Dahil mas malaki savings mo per month, mas malaki value ng investment mo after 5 years. Scenario B is better than Scenario A. Assuming after 5 years, di ka na nagdagdag, iniwan mo na yung fund mo, hinayaan mo mag-grow. Again, Scenario B is better than Scenario A. Dahil mas malaki ang na-save, mas malaki yung value na nag-accumulate or nag-compound after 10 more years. Difference is more than 1 million. Kaya nga sabi, time is money. Second reason why you need to earn more money is to prepare for your upcoming responsibility. Kung single ka, nakakapag-save ka ng 4,000 a month, paano pag nagkapamilya ka na? Paano pag nadagdagan na responsibility mo? Paano pag nagkaroon ka na ng anak? Pag nagkaroon ka na ng anak, additional 5,000 to 10,000 a month na expense yan. If you don't increase your income, yung naiipon mo ngayong single ka na 4,000 a month, pwedeng maging zero or kapusin pa pag nagkapamilya ka na. Kaya marami ang nababaon sa utang dahil negative ang fund. Mas palaki ang expenses sa kinikita. No increase on income equals no savings. If you have no savings, you cannot retire from your job. Third reason you need to earn more money to create passive income. Ano ba yung passive income? Passive income is an income received on a regular basis with little effort required to maintain it. Sample of passive income is income from your investment in mutual fund or paper assets and income from your business. So you need to earn more para may regular savings and investment ka. If you save 8,000 a month for 10 years, assuming rate of return is 12% per year, your investment fund will become 1,840,310. If you have fund of 1,840,310, you will generate passive income because of interest of your investment. Let's say 10% per year. Your passive income is 184,031 pesos per year or 15,336 per month. Why you need to create passive income like this? Because passive income equals permanent income. You need to create permanent income. Bakit? Kasi you have permanent expenses. Food, rent or house loan, utility bills. Kahit natutulog ka, gumagastos ka pa din dahil nakabukas electric fan or aircon, tuloy-tuloy rent mo. So kung natutulog ka, may gastos ka, dapat kahit natutulog ka, kumikita ka pa din. If you have investment in paper assets, money will compound kahit natutulog ka. Sabi nga ni J. Ruben Clark Jr., interest never sleeps, nor sickens, nor dies. It works on Sundays and holidays. It never takes a vacation. Like in our example, if you have passive income of 15,336 and your monthly expense is 15,000, you are considered as financially free. Because financial freedom is having passive income equal to or greater than monthly expense. To summarize what we discussed in this video, why you need to earn more. First is to build your wealth faster. Second, to prepare for your upcoming responsibility. And third, to create passive or permanent income. If you want to invest in paper assets like mutual funds and if you're looking for a business opportunity but you have a very limited capital, 1 Million Club is here to help you. We believe that everyone has the right to become wealthy if they have the right information. Do you want to improve your financial situation? First step is to educate yourself. We are conducting free practical money management and investment strategies in Makati and Cebu. For those located in other provinces and outside the Philippines, we are conducting webinar. 1 Million Club is here to help you. Please visit www.1millionclub.com and please subscribe if you like this video. And if you want to learn more about investments, you may also email me at roan@1millionclub.com. Thank you for watching this video.